welcome to Kumari's Home Cooking. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have a recipe called Hainanese chicken rice. It's a Chinese recipe, and I've done this many times. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. First you have to wash the chicken with the salt so that it gives the tenderness and it gives you the moisture and everything. So you have to wash with a tablespoon of salt and then you have to boil it. Okay, before putting the chicken in the hot water, actually this is a boiled chicken, and you need to take the fat out to cook the rice. You need the fats. Okay, now make sure there's no water. Now I'm going to stuff in some sliced ginger. Doesn't matter how many, but just enough to shuffle it inside, and some green onion to give a nice good smell. Stuff everything inside, and then you have to tie the leg. I kept the string which I opened the chicken. You can use the same string, and then you can put it in the water. Okay, so the water is boiling. I'm going to put in the chicken and cook it for at least half an hour, and the water must not boil anymore. It must be in simmer, and let it simmer for half an hour. Then you can take the chicken out and put it in the cold water. So I'm going to close it now for half an hour. Okay, it's still simmering. I just put it in, and I've got to show you. Put in some sliced ginger and some green onion so that you can use this stock for soup, and then you have to use the same water to cook the rice after half an hour. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and wait for half an hour. Okay, at the meantime I'm going to cook this, I'm going to put in the food processor 1 cup of ginger and 1 cup of green onion and blend it together, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, in here I have adding 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of thick soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet soya sauce, and few drops of sesame oil, and I'm going to add little bit soup to the soya sauce to dilute it, like 3 to 4 tablespoons, and then let the chicken simmer. Okay, for the rice, while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to show you how to do the rice. I have 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. You have to mince it so that you won't feel the roughness of the ginger, and 1 teaspoon of garlic, and cook for a few minutes. And I have some chicken fats. You need to have the chicken fat so that it gives more nice smell. And I'm going to add in onions and cook them for at least the onions turn brown, until the onions turn brown. I'm gonna add in the pandan leaf and cook for a few seconds, and I'm going to add in the rice. Okay, I'm going to add in the washed rice, 3 cups of washed rice. And you have to add in 1 tablespoon of salt for the rice. Okay, the water, I stir fried like 2-3 minutes, and then I'm going to put in the rice cooker and add water and cook it like a normal rice. Okay, I'm going to add in like 4 to 5 cups of chicken stock, and don't add in salt in the rice because the soup is, the stock already have salt. Sorry, earlier I said salt, so don't put, okay? Okay, I'm adding in the chicken stock. The chicken is going to be done in few minutes, and then we are good to go. So the rice you can measure according to your weight, how much water and all that. This is 3 cups. Sometimes I put in extra. Okay, it's almost like 5 cups. Okay, the rice is ready to cook. I already put it in the cooker, and we will wait for the chicken. Okay, remember the ginger and the green onion which I blended. So now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Don't add in so much. If you need more, then you guys can add it. And I'm going to do the oil process for this ginger and green onion. So the oil is getting heated, so once it's heat up, then I have to throw it in here. Okay, for the sauce you need to add in 1 teaspoon of ginger which I blended, and 1 teaspoon of garlic, and mix it. And for the chili sauce also the same, you're going to add in the ginger garlic. I have the sriracha chili sauce. I'm going to use that today. Already hot, it's very hot, and I'm going to throw this in the ginger and the green onion which I blend early. So this is how it works, and mix it and keep it aside. This ginger gives a good digestion, although the oil is there, but it's good. Right now I'm going to use this chili sriracha sauce. It's really very good. You can use this. You don't have to make your own sauce. If you want to, go ahead, but I usually use this, and I add in some chicken stock and ginger garlic in this, and it's going to be really nice. Okay, this is the ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of garlic, and I'm going to mix it with the chicken stock. The chicken is done. I'm going to take the chicken out and put it in the cold water to stop the process of cooking. Okay, I'm taking out the chicken right now. It's a bit slippery and it's getting away. Okay, I'm taking the chicken. I'm going to put it in the cold water. Okay, in the cold water to stop the process of cooking for at least 10 minutes. Then you can take it out and cut it. Okay, the chicken is almost 10 minutes. You don't have to put too long. Maybe 5 minutes is also okay. I'm taking out all the green onions and the ginger. You can even roast this chicken and then make chicken rice, but this is Hainanese chicken rice, so I have to steam it, and I have to boil it. And I'm going to cut this part. Okay, the soup is ready. If you want to add in like chicken stock and all that for taste, you can buy the no brand chicken stock, and then you can add in. If you don't want, it's fine. And I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, I've already added in the white pepper, and it's good to go now. Yummy. Look at the rice, it's done. Kids will like it. It's not spicy. I love chicken, Hainanese chicken rice. Okay, it's done. Okay, I'm gonna put in the chili sauce. This is for me to eat, and I'm gonna drizzle this soya sauce on the chicken. And if you want more on your chicken, you go ahead. And I'm having this ginger and green onion. Okay, look, everything look delicious and nice. I'm gonna eat now. Oh, this is wonderful. It is so good. Guys, you must try this recipe. This soup is wonderful.